Hello, students of Standard 10. Welcome to this YouTube channel of Montbretia. I am here once again with the same chapter, Nationalism in Europe,
Nationalism in India.
with two different topics. Very important. It is surely to come in the exam. The topic is, why did Mahatma Gandhi withdraw the non-cooperation movement? 3 marks question. Why did Mahatma Gandhi withdraw the non-cooperation movement? So, the reason is very pathetic. That is, in February 1922, at Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur, a place is there, Chauri Chaura in Gorakhpur, very pathetic incident held there. A peaceful demonstration in a bazaar turned into a violent clash with the police, British police. In this incident, several British police officers were killed. Hearing of this incident, Mahatma Gandhi called off the non cooperation movement because he felt that the the movement was turning violent in many places, which he never approved in any circumstances, and Satyagrahi needed to be properly trained before they would be ready for mass struggle. Mahatma Gandhi was a believer of non-violence and truth. That is the reason he has started Satyagraha movement. But when the public has started violent incident, when they have taken the path of violence, Gandhiji thought that Indians were not yet ready for Satyagraha. According to Gandhiji, whatever happens to you, whatever step taken on you by the Britishers, you should not be non-violent. Sorry, you should not be violent. You should always be in the path of non-violence. If they have slapped you in one cheek, you give them the other cheek. But the Indians tolerance power, giving Indians tolerance power is in limit. They have been beaten brutally by the Britishers without any reason. They were peacefully marching, peacefully doing procession. And when they have been beaten, when in front of their eyes their parents, their children, their neighbors have been beaten brutality, automatically they will become violent. But Gandhiji said no, and that is why he has withdrawn the non-cooperation movement due to the Chauri Chaura incident, in which many British people have been, in which many British officers and people have been killed. That is the reason why he has withdrawn the non-cooperation movement. Now, my next topic is very important. It has came twice in the board, and it is a common question for CBSE people. For instance, Jharkhand board also it is required. For the CBSE student, it is very common question. What is the means? Compare the images of Bharat Mata of this chapter and the image of Germania of chapter 1 in the rise of European. Germania and Bharat Mata's image to be compared. So, you see, Bharat Mata, the image of Bharat Mata created by Abanindranath Tagore. It is created by Abanindranath Tagore. Is portrayed as an ascetic figure, sacred figure. She is calm, composed, divine, and spiritual. Another image of Bharat Mata is shown with a Trishul. Trishul standing beside a lion. Standing beside a lion and an elephant. These both animals are the symbol of power and authority. But that image was not been taken as granted for Bharat Mata. Bharat Mata's image is an image of calm, divine, composed, and spiritual. Whereas in Germania was the symbol of German nation. She is depicted as a female figure standing against a background where beams of sunlight shine through the tricolor fabric of the national flag. Germania is wearing a crown of oak. Oak tree is a symbol of victory, power, as the German oak stands for heroism, and having sword in her hand. So this is the small comparison between the Bharat Mata, image of Bharat Mata and Germania. Now in my next video, I will give you the questions of this chapter. Thank you.